This is a very special box. In fact, some may even say it's mysterious. The location from where this was sent, 35 Prindle Hill Road. Wonder what could be inside. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. I love this knife. Tape you have no match. Wonder if this is some of the tape that was in that crystal snow bear. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, and then everything down below now then. It's a receipt. We don't need that. We have a counter display. Whoa! Of SpongeBob. Nope. Get that out of there. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? There it is! It doesn't turn on it! Yo! Would have liked it better on a black stem. Just me personally. Ooh, it's mysterious! What flavor will you get? The mystery flavor. Ooh. Looks like strawberry, orange, raspberry. Is that a lime? I don't know what that is. But I know that's grape, lemon, and cherry. Ooh. Wait a minute. It's just mixed fruits. I hope not. Let's move this aside. All right. So mysterious. We'll eat those later and see. But more mystery. Such a huge box of mystery. SpongeBob SquarePants. This is a 12-pack. 12 total. So, there are 4 different dispensers, and we will see if what it is we get. So we'll do it this way. Number 1, regular Bob. Number 2, regular Bob. Number 3, Squidward. Number 4, Crystal. Number 5, regular Bob. It's killing me. We are halfway done. This is number 6. What's this guy's name? Oh, wait a minute. This is Squidward. That's Patrick. Ha! Goes to show you how much I know. But I do know, after 6, we do not have a gold SpongeBob. Is there a gold SpongeBob in here? We will continue on. Ah, crystal clear! All right, so right now we only have 2 duplicates. We'll set them over here. So we have 5 of the 6, with 4 remaining. Ooh. No, wait a minute. We have 5 remaining. 5 remaining. Is it gold? Oh, it's regular Bob. Another double. And, hey, we have another crystal. Another double. 3 more remaining. 3 more remaining. Ah. Another crystal. We have 2 more. Gold Bob. Ah. Well, it's our last chance. Is it going to happen? Tune in till next... No, we aren't going to do it that way. We're just going to spin it around. Be gold, be gold, be gold, be gold. Ah! Ah! Thank you for playing the game. Did you get a gold SpongeBob? The game where you find out whether or not you got a gold SpongeBob, which is limited to 1,000 dispensers. Unfortunately, we did not get one out of this whole box. But we did get one out of 1,000 item, the mystery PEZ guy. Ooh, he's so mysterious. Look at him. Where'd Mickey go, Minnie? So mysterious. Ooh. So until next time.